Hi guys! So, nandito pa rin ako. So ngayon guys, ang i-react ko naman po is yung kay yung performance po ng SB19 na kasama nila si Apple the App ng Black Eyed Peas. So, ang pinerform po nila is Ready for Tonight. Yan. So, pagtadag pinali po to, ito po yung day 1. So, nung nakaraan po yung day 2 po yung aking nireact. Yung kasama niya si Clock9. So, huwag na natin patagalin. I-play na po natin yung video, guys.
18! Let's get ready for tonight! Hey! Hey! I've been waiting for this now for so long. Get ready for the night. Get ready. I've been waiting for this now for so long. Get ready for the night. Ready for the lights, put a camera reacting. Go ahead and tap in. Let's get the roof full of diamonds I'm matching. I think it's a habit. I don't wanna be the one to save you, but flights might change you. All the different angles, just a little sample, just a little preview. So take it easy, baby, don't you hurt me. Little reason, baby, evening tasting, Lord have mercy. And we can take time and love the flame. Got me all like overnight. Just a little bit more, and I can be the one. Let you catch those flights as I feel it. So baby, tell me how we live it. Let's let go. Let's have a little toast, cause I'm taking all. Everyone, please welcome Apple the App. Hey, you ready? I've been waiting for this now for so long. Get ready for the night. You ready? I've been waiting for this night for so long. Get ready for the night. Get ready for the night. Get ready for the night.
Taray guys! Si Apple the App!
Get ready for the night.
Make some noise for the Apple! I ain't giving rocks up, I ain't giving girls a socket. Girl, up your person, yeah, you talking to the father. Let me level up your life. I'll get you to a villa where you like. Tonight, night. Oh, baby, penthouse.
Grabe ang swerte ng SB19. May si Apple the App. Apple the App. Si Apple the App.
Who's that?
Hala, hindi mo kilala si Apple the App. Ng Black Eyed Peas.
Oh.
Grabe ang swerte ng SB19. Tuwan-tuwa naman ako sa kanila guys. Kasi tingnan mo, nakakapag-perform sila kasama ni Apple the App, ni Clock9.
I have no idea who that
So,
is.
ngayon ko lang siya guys napanood tong video na to. Kailan lang siya in-upload? 23 hours ago. So, hindi, yung buong concert po, hindi ko alam kung sino pa yung mga nakasama nila sa performance nila. Pero po, tuwa ako sa kanila. Kasi imagine, kanina po, napanood ko si Clock9 yung kasama nila. Tapos ngayon, si Apple the App. Sino kaya susunod? Oh my God!
Life we're living, and we catch flights, not feeling. And I can break it down if you with it, and I can be the one.
Let you catch those flights as I feel it.
By the way, shoutout po pala dito sa nag-post neto, si Evans Farm TV. Maganda po yung niya, yung video niya. Isa po to sa nagandahan ako. Yung iba po kasi sobrang labo, tapos yung sound ang pangit. Pero ngayon ang ganda po, ang ganda ng sound, ang ganda din ng video.
So baby, tell me how we live it.
Watch how we acting soon.
Apple the App, babe.
I have no idea who that is.
Yung kumanta ng bebot.
Oh!
Bebot.
You guys made a joke out of that, wasn't it? Taba, kumakain.
Sino nagsabi niyan?
Y'all made a joke about that on me.
On you? When? Oh, when you're little?
When I was here and I was trying to get fat, you were like, taba, kumakain.
Naalala mo pa yun? Naalala mo pa yun?
Yes! That was so offensive. I was like 8 at the time, and then they were like, taba, kumakain.
So ngayon naalala mo na yung ano, yung kanta ni Apple Cup.
Yes, I do.
Been waiting for this night for so long. Get ready for the night. Get ready for the night. Let's go! Come on! Hey, hey!
Ang taray, nag-breakdance pa si ano.
It feels right. For the night. I can taste it. That is not getting close to you. On my hand, we're getting through. Oh, yeah. Friends and time friends. Let's go! Say what? Woo! I'm ready. Get ready for the night. I'm ready. I've been waiting for this night for so long. Get ready for the night. You ready? One, two. Get ready for the night. Get ready for the night. Get ready for the night. Get ready for the night, night. Get ready for the night.
Dang! Ang galing yung SB19. Imagine that.
Let's give it up for Apple Diaz!
Yeah, Apple Diaz.
Make some noise for SB19!
So good.
Make some noise for yourselves! Thank you so much, Sir Apple. Grabe, sobrang special ng araw na to, guys. Pinakitaan tayo ng dance moves. Hey.
Si Pablo.
Honor ko to be with the stage with you, Sir Apple.
With the legend.
Yes.
With the
Yeah.
Maraming salamat for having me with you guys, to rock with you guys. And I'm proud of you guys. Represent
Yeah,
my
dapat
culture
lang,
and
Apple
work.
Diaz. Maging proud ka sa kanila.
Guys, ang masasabi ko lang, iba talaga ang Filipino! Filipino! Filipino!
Si Pablo.
Hey!
Yo, hoy pare, pakinggan nyo ako. Eto na tunay na Pilipino. Galing sa baryo, sa pambato. Pumunta ng LA, nagtrabaho para makatulong sa nanay. Dahil sa hirap ng buhay, pero masaya pa rin ang kulay. Pag kumain, nagkakamay. Yung kane, chicken adobo. Yung pala pinibenta sa kanto. Tagay mo na nga ang baso. Pare ko, inuman na tayo. Pilipino! 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 Hey! Bebo, 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 bebo. Ikaw ang aking bebo, bebo, bebo.
Hey!
Ikaw ang aking bebo, 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 bebo. Ikaw ay Filipino!
Filipino!
Awesome! You killed it! You killed it, Sir Apple.
Woo! Grabe, sobrang nakakabilib. And narinig nyo ba yung song na pinerform namin? Narinig nyo?
Dang.
Nako, abangan nyo dahil malapit na rin yan. It's SB19 and Sir Apple Diaz collaboration. We're very excited. Woo! Again, everyone, let's give a hand for Sir Apple Diaz!
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sir Apple!
Thank you so much, Sir Apple.
So good. Wala na, hindi na ako nakapagsalita, guys.
Ano ba yan? 18?
Hindi na ako nakapagsalita, hindi na ako nakapag...
Thank you so much. It's such an
A1 pa lang.
Oh my goodness. Ang galing! Ang galing-galing nyo, SB19. Imagine that. Guess nyo sila, Apple the App. Si Clock9. Sino kaya next nilang i-guess, guys? So, hindi na ako makapaghintay ko sino. Hindi na ako makapaghintay ko sino yung susunod nilang guess. Sino yung susunod nilang kasama sa performance nila. Oh my God, ang galing niya SB19. Save ko lang to. So, ayun guys. So, sobrang proud po ako sa inyo, SB19. Ayan na, nakasama nyo na si Apple the App, si Clock9. So, sino pa susunod nyo makasama? Sana makasama nyo si Bruno Mars. Napakagaling nyo. So, proud talaga, SB19. So, sige po guys. Thank you so much for watching po. Titignan ko pa po kung meron pa po akong mga i-react. Baka po, ang isusunod kong i-react is yung kay Josh. Thank you so much guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.